Alright, we have the new fairyloot box here today. And hopefully, like last time, my plan is to make a little art piece out of what inspires me in the box. I believe this month's theme was supposed to be animal companions, but I do not know for sure. Oh, yeah, I think I'm right. This is the art print. Do they credit the artist on these? We'll look again afterwards. I don't want to see what's in the box completely yet. Ooh! Ooh, is this another mug? That's gonna be fun. Alright. It looks like this is from Crescent City. I don't know if that's a book or if that's the brand. We'll find out. It's stuck. There we go. Looks like another mug. I just bought a mug. I'm going to have too many mugs by the end of this. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Oh. Oh, it doesn't have a handle. Oh, it must be... Oh, I have to see what the use for this is because it's got a little hole in the bottom. So it's not a mug, which actually might be a good thing now that I think about it. But this is gorgeous. All the gold pieces and the art on it. Hopefully, let me check the camera and make sure you see that well enough. Yeah, alright, good. But yeah, this is so pretty. I'm excited to see what this is gonna be used for, or should be used for. If anything, this might just be a cute little pencil case, or not pencil case, pencil holder. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, an envelope. What's in here? Oh, another enamel pin. Oh, it's so cute. This is definitely going to be on my purse. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like the artist is Layla Ashter, and her Instagram is down here too, and it's Layla Ashter Shrine. So I'm gonna be checking her out on Instagram. That's gonna be fun. Let's put that there. And we got another little envelope. Ooh, Kingdom of the Wicked. Oh, an acrylic standee. Oh, this is gonna be interesting looking. Ooh. Oh, is this supposed to be like an interpretation of Hades? I love the white Doberman. That is adorable. Does it have an actual stand? Yes, it does. That's so cute. I love that. I'm gonna have to find a place to put that. What's this? Ooh, another envelope. We're getting a lot of envelopes in this one. Oh, I could be using, I think of this afterwards. I think this was either, oh, this must have been the one I got on the second fairyloot box I got. But it's a little letter opener. And I actually use it kind of frequently. Oh, another metal bookmark. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this. And the little clouds. Hopefully you can see the details in this. Let's see. Yeah. That's so pretty. Ooh. Ooh, pillowcase. Alright. It's Raven Sleep Cycle pillowcases. Oh. Let's see what the whole thing looks like. Ooh, it looks like it might actually be a big pillowcase. Oh, do I have it upside down? Yes, I do. The heart is all fire. Interesting. I'm gonna have to figure out where I want it. Oh! Oh, there's two of them. That's nice. Alright. I'm gonna have to figure out where I want those to go. Unfortunately, it's not a color scheme I've been using a lot in my home. But those are cute. I'll have to use it somewhere. Alright, cool. And these are the two tarot cards. The Knight of Wands and the Page of Wands. And it looks like this is the same character as this. I wonder what this character is from. I don't think I've read this. And here comes the book. Ooh, this art's really pretty. Ooh. The bookmark's running away from me. So this is the bookmark. Oh. And I'm knocking everything over. Oh, that's not going. Alright. This art print's really pretty. Actually, I'll display it right there. And the book is Fire with Fire. Two sisters divided they burn. That's gonna be interesting. I'm still two books behind. I finished The Bright and the Pale, and that was a great book. And then I just finished Prison Healer, which is now up there and possibly one of my favorite books. And we'll see. And now I'm on the book that I made art from last month. So hopefully I enjoy that as much as I enjoyed Prison Healer. But yeah, alright, that's all the stuff, and let's go back to the spoiler card and see if they... Oh, this is supposed to be a flower pot! Alright, that's actually great because I've been planning on making a little kitchen garden. So we'll see if I can use that as one of them. It has to be a plant that doesn't need too much space. I wonder if it would also work well with succulents. But yeah, that actually might work for what it's intended to work for. says the design for this is at Aurora Day? It's Ouroridae. I'm hopefully pronouncing that correct. And the metal bookmark, this lovely little thing, is designed by No One Designs. Hopefully you can see that. The pillowcases are designed by @KD_Pletters. And it looks like it's inspired by the Raven Cycle series. I feel like I might have read something from that. I don't know. Oh, and the enamel pin is supposed to be Gigi from Kiki's Delivery Service. I thought so. I love that. I love the purple on the broom. And like I said before, the enamel pin is designed by Layla Asher Shrine. And then okay, so Kingdom of the Wicked is the book from this dude. And the artwork is by Morhana Zero Anagram. Hopefully you'll be able to read that. If not, always feel free to pop in a comment and I can send you their way. Oh, wait, seriously? The page in the Knight of Wands, they're designed also by Morhana O Anagram and are inspired by Serpent and Dove. I have read these. Why didn't I recognize this character? Do I need to read that series again? I feel like I missed something. Oh, that's one thing I forgot to do. Take off the dust jacket and see that, oh my god, that's so pretty. What? I don't want to damage anything. This is the art on the inside of the dust jacket. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, is there a dent in it? Oh, no, that's from the lettering. Alright. But yeah. This is the art. Absolutely gorgeous. Do they credit that artist? I think it's the same artist who did this, but that's just a guess. Let me see. The Dust Jacket by I Can Draw Things with a Z rather than an S. Oh, and the author also does letter and wait, don't forget to check out the author, letter with artwork on the other side by @Salties. So yeah. And this is the art on the actual book. It's a very cute pale yellow. But yeah, that's in this month's fairyloot box, and I'll see what I can make that is inspired from this. I'll probably do something similar to what I did last month, where mostly the theme inspired me. Though I do also want to, though I would have to get quicker at rating to do this, but I thought about doing art inspired by the box itself, and then later on, after I finish reading the book, do fan art for the book. But I don't know if I could keep up with that. But maybe I will like try it, because there's at least 2 that I could do already. I could do fan art for the Pale and the Bright, and then and also fan art for Lore, and then some fan art for Prison Healer. That could work, but I don't know yet. If that's something you're interested in, please tell me. But yeah, now we'll go on to do some art. Alright, I wasn't planning on doing a voiceover for this until I realized I've never talked about this character before. She's my Dragon Queen character. I don't think I ever gave her a name. And she was originally a part of what was my school's 30-second film. And it's funny, like, I actually recently watched what I animated for that again, and oh my god. It's like the best work I did at the time, but it doesn't look good. I was originally going to share it, but it just does not look good. So, this is just a character that I've actually, during the film, she was a younger child in the 30-second film, and I drew her older as, I don't even remember why I did that, but I ended up really liking her character and kind of creating this whole story around her and what their kingdom's like. But yeah, you might see more of her. She's a fun character to draw, and I don't know, I just really like this idea of this, like, whole dragon kingdom where all the, like, royals have their own dragon, and this, at the time, little girl ends up with this, wingless dragon, which I think is actually technically considered a drake. So, yeah. I just really like her character, and occasionally I just go back to her. She's really fun for me to play with, and I'm gonna have to draw her wifey sometime.